Grooming can be extremely difficult without the proper tools or equipment. For us men, acquiring adequate shaving equipment can often be a struggle. Personally, I tend to stay away from tools or equipment that cause any irritation or displeasure to my skin. And I'm sure I'm not the only person that feels that way. In order to get the job done the right way, you need the right tools. Today, we're gonna be looking at a simple 3-step system that reduces bumps and prevents irritation when it comes to shaving. If you're new to the channel, I am Rio, and here we discuss men's style and fashion topics designed to help you guys look and feel your best. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and set notifications to all so you'll be notified for future videos. This is the Disposable Safety Razor Kit by Bevel Essential. The kit includes 5 disposable safety razors, clear shave gel, and bump control aftershave. We're not just gonna do too much talking about it. We're about to head to the bathroom and put it to use. Come on, let's go. Before we begin this process, we're gonna start by properly cleansing the skin. Now that we're done with that, we have step 1, applying the clear shave gel. The clear shave gel is foamless and provides lubrication and glide. It allows for you to easily see what you're shaving for precise detailing. The directions say, squeeze a dime-sized amount of shave gel onto your fingers. Apply in a circular motion to cover areas you plan to shave, using more product as needed. Shave with the grain in slow, short glides. Rinse with cold water, pat dry, and apply Bevel bump control aftershave. And we're gonna apply in circular motions. Next, we have step 2. For this one, we're using the disposable safety razor. The disposable safety razor helps prevent nicks, tugs, and reduces irritation. The directions for the razors say, after applying Bevel clear shave gel or Bevel shave cream, hold the head of the razor against your skin at about a 30-degree angle. Tilt the handle until the blade just touches your skin. Apply gentle pressure to maintain contact with your skin to prevent tugging and pulling as you shave. Keep your glide short and don't forget to always shave in the direction your hair is growing. When the blades start feeling dull, it's time for a fresh Bevel Essential disposable razor. Dispose used razor in your trash bin. The razors are made with 45% wheat straw, great for coarse and curly hair. The razors are travel ready with non-removable blades and a safety cap. Good for about 2 to 3 shaves per use. And now we're going to rinse with the cold water. And now the last and final step, step 3. We're going to be applying the bump control aftershave. It's light and absorbing and exfoliates to reduce razor bumps and ingrown hairs. It's also free of drying alcohols, artificial fragrances, dyes, and sulfates. The directions say, use after shaving or any time in between. Massage a small amount over clear face and neck. Allow to dry. Finish with Bevel face gel. And that's basically it. It's really easy to use and gets the job done. If you guys are looking for a shaving solution that prevents bumps and reduces irritation, check out Bevel. I'm gonna have a link down below in the description section. As I mentioned, I found it very easy to use and it's great for travel. I didn't have a ton of stubble to start, so I was working with some very small hairs, but I was able to get the job done. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment down below letting me know what are you currently using for your shaving routine. That does it for me. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.